Okay. See, in the last class, we were discussing about mental ability, right? Mental ability section, and in that, we were discussing about odd man out. Okay, so I added some more points for this. Yesterday, we discussed based on formation. This is over. And second point is also over based on number of sites. Third one, we discussed about based on position. Fourth one, based on relation of two elements. And the fifth one, based on different elements. Sixth one, we discussed based on rotation. In rotation, there are two kinds are there. One is clockwise rotation, and one more is anti-clockwise. See, these things got over in last class, right? The remaining we need to discuss. Okay, Arshit Kumar.
Yes, sir.
See, try to answer this one based on method of writing.
Yes, sir.
So, which one is the answer?
Sir, first one.
First one.
Yes, sir.
Reason?
Sir, reason the second one is T, third one is Z, fourth one is N. This is sir. Sir, the rest ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇ ಅಂತದ್ದು.
Okay, yeah, you can mute. We'll ask others. You can mute. Okay. Kushal Gowda or
Sir, option 2.
reason?
Sir, ಈಗ 4 sides, sir 3 sides. Sir, T is 2 sides.
Okay, yeah.
Sir,
Yeah, very good. See, what he told is right. That is not sides, okay? This is not a shape. See here, we are using 3 lines here. Try to understand. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines we are using. But coming to the T, here we are using only 2 lines. See, this is 1 line and this is 1 line. Coming to option 3, 1, 2, 3. This one, 1, 2, 3. Clear? See, based on writing, we are going to identify different one. See here, option 2 is different. Why? Because we are using only 2 lines. What Kushal Gowda told is right. Okay. Option 2 is the right answer. Clear? Understood? Okay. We will move on to next one. Say I will ask individually, okay? Better. Yeah, this one is real images, okay? This is real images. You can identify this one. It is easy, I think. It is easy, I think. Okay, wait. Kirtana, yeah.
Sir,
Which one?
sir, option 4.
Yeah, see option 4 reason.
Sir means the book and pencil eraser are written.
Okay.
Cycle is ride.
Yeah, see it is used for writing purposes. Okay, means these
Yes,
are
sir.
stationaries. Right, so these are stationaries and this is not a stationary. This is bicycle and it is used for riding. Okay. So option 4 is the answer, right? Good.
Thank you, sir.
Understood? Next one. See, you can answer this one. Send me the answer. Now you can send me the answer. Chintana right, Adityam wrong. Kushal S. Gowda wrong. Ganvi R wrong. Sadhvi wrong. Kaushik wrong. Rohini wrong. Dhruva right. Kirti right. Ganvi right. Likit J right. Okay, Sukruti right. Harichandan right. Arsha right. Abhinav right answer. Kirtana no. Chumana right. Kirtan right. Kirti right. Isha Karipriya right. Kushal Gowda. Mana right answer. Chandana right answer. Aishri right. Ullas right. Sumadura right. Ullas right. Yashas right. Shreya no. Ganvi right answer. Ganvi Jayam. No. See, you need to send options, okay? Whether A, B, C, D. Send me the A, B, C, D, okay? Don't send the answers. Zimad right. Jeevan Nayak wrong. Kirtana wrong. Yuvraj wrong. Purvik wrong. Tanmay says right. Shreya right. Tej Kiran right. Ritiksha right. Shreya right. Okay. Yeah. Chumana. Chumana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, answer this one.
Sir, D one because it is more number.
Oh, you are going by more number. Okay. Yeah. See, actually, that is not the reason. Okay. See, option D is the answer. But that is not the reason. See, your reason is in later classes, we will discuss this one. Okay. What are squares and what are cubes? Okay. See, what are squares means it is like this. Remember this one. What do you mean by squares means? See, suppose think I will take square of 2. What is the meaning of square of 2 means? we need to multiply 2 times. So we will get the answer 4. And if I take square of 3, what is square of 3? We need to multiply that 3 2 times. Next, if I take square of 4, what is square of 4? 4 into 4, 16. And what is square of 5? Multiply the 5 2 times. 5 5 is a. Understood the meaning of squares? See, these are the squares. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 3 is 9. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 5 is 25. Okay. Now, see, they are given. See here, you can understand here by looking at the number. See, 4 is there. See, 2 into 2, no? So you'll get 4. Okay. So 4 is the square of 2. Then 9 is the square of 3. Then this one 4 into 4. See, this one will not come, right? If I put 5 into 5, you need to get 25. But here it is 21. Okay. So this is not a square. Clear. And also, see, sometimes they will give cubes. What is this cubes means? It is like this. See, cube of 2 means we need to multiply 3 times. Try to understand this one. This is 2 times we need to multiply. And this one is 3 times. Two into 2. If you multiply 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 into 2, how much? 8. Clear? Like that, we need to calculate. See, cube of 3. First multiply 3 into 3, that is 9. 9 into 3, 27. Okay. See, cube of 4. First do 4 into 4, 16. 16 4 is 64. Clear? See, understand this one. Try to understand. See, squares and this one is cubes. See, in the given example, okay, 3 numbers are squares. That is 4, 9 and 16. But 21 is not a square. Okay. Clear? Fine. See, that is the reason. Yeah, we will move on to next one. Send me the answer. I think it is easy. Dhruva, right? Kushal Gowda, right? Harsha, right? Kushal Gowda, no wrong. Suraj, right? Mithun, right? Tanmay Gowda, Tej Kiran, right? Kirti, right? Sadhi Patil, Nang, Chintana, right? Aishiri, right? Dhanvita, right? Maharsha, right? Amsa, right? Vishal, right? Purvik, right? Ullas, right? Ganvi, no. Haripriya, right? Karthik Sagar, right? Abhinav, right? Zimad, right answer. Kaushik, right? Dhiran, right answer. Vardha, who is that right answer? Sumadura, right answer. Akrut, right answer. Aditya, M, right? Prithvika, right? Nidhi, right? Yuvraj, right? Chumana, right? Rishi, right? Surya, right? Okay. Surya, no, I think. See, send me one answer. So if you are sending 2, 3, okay, I can't able to read. Ganvi, right? See here. Harichandan, right? Prithvika, right? Ishak, wrong. Roshni, right? Mai is wrong. Yashas, right? Tarun, wrong. Sadhvi Patil, wrong. Saujanya, right? Okay. Chiranjeevi, no. Ishak, now it is right. Adidev, no. Harshit Kumar, right. Rohini, right. Likitem Gowda, right. Tanmay SH, right. Ritiksha, right answer. Chiranjeevi, right. Vaibhav Lakshmi, right. Shreya, no, wrong. Saujanya, wrong. Yeah, see, I will ask Haripriya. Yeah, Haripriya, what is the answer for this?
Sir, C, sir.
Yeah, reason?
Because S, T and V are consonants and U is vowel, sir.
Yeah, very good. See, yes is a consonant. We already discussed this one in English grammar. Consonant. And this is also consonant. What about U? U is vowel. Okay. See which are vowels in English. That is A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. So remaining are consonants. 5 vowels are there. And coming to the consonants, how many are there? 21. Clear? Based on vowels and consonants. Sometimes what they will give means sometimes they will give all vowels. 3 vowels and 1 consonant they will give. Means see, it is like this. Suppose if they give like this. See, they will give like this. So which is the answer? Answer is A. Why? Because it is a vowel. Okay. See, sometimes they will give like this. Suppose think A. They will give I. Okay. Then they will give so which one is the answer? Answer is option D. Why? Because see, A is vowel, I is vowel, E is vowel, but T is consonant. Understood? Based on vowels and consonants. Yeah, see next one, this is letter replacement. Okay. Yeah, send me the answers. Dhruva right, Chandana right, Karthik Sagar right, Kushales Gowda Lohit right, Suraj right, Hamsa right, Rishi right, Ullas right, Ganvi R, Rohini right, Sumadura right, Tej Kiran right, Danvita right, Tanmay Gowda right, Zimad right, Nidhi right, Rishi right, Ishes right, Mana right answer, Sheetal right, Prithvika right, Yuvraj right. Send me slowly, see here. Svikruti no wrong, Shreya Gowda wrong, Kishan D right, Himawarsha right, Mai is right answer, Bhuvan Chandra right, Sadhvi Patil right, Purvik wrong, Aditya M wrong, Likityam right, Jeevan Nayak right, Adityam right, Mithun right, Tanmay SH right, Mithun right, Aditya M right, okay. Naomi Kirtan Kumar right, Harichandan Likit right, Shreya Gowda right, Ritiksha right, Varsha right, Ganvi JM wrong, Swikriti, no. Manoj, right. Ishak, right. Tarun, wrong. Rakshita Gowda, wrong. Chandana, right answer. Okay, Purvik, wrong. Kushal Gowda. Okay, Vaibhav Lakshmi, right. Vishruta, right. Tarun, right. Harshit Kumar, right. Chintana, right. Abhinav, wrong. Nishchit, wrong. Ganvi, JM, right. Purvik, right. Nishchit, right. Okay. Vishal, wrong. Yeah, Ritiksha. Ritiksha, you can unmute. Saujanya, right. Kirti, wrong. You can unmute, Ritiksha. Yeah, answer. Ritiksha, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me the answer.
sir, because first one, second one, fourth one, all spellings are run, but
Okay.
third one spelling is
Yeah, very good. See, that is the reason. Here we are having the letters R is there, U is there, N is there. Here also in this case, we are having letter R, U, and N. And also in option 4, we are having the letters R, U, and N. But coming to the option 3, here what we are having, actually we are having K, U, and N. See, this letter is different. Okay. See, instead of R, we have taken K here. Okay. That's why option 3 is the answer. Okay. Good. Understood? Letter replacements. And they asked in the last year question paper, this one, okay? This one important. In previous year question paper, they asked this question. Mark it as important, okay? Next one. Say this is based on partition. You can send me the answer. Yuvraj, right. Dhruva, right. Danvita, no. Thousands of answers I'm getting here. Haripriya, right. Send me slowly, say I can't able to read. Give some gap. Give some gap. Don't send, give some gap. Then only I can. Prithvika, okay, right answer. Purvik, right answer. Himarsha, okay. Mais, right answer. Tanmay Gowda, right. Chandana, right. Harichandan, right. Vishruta, right. Tej Kiran, right. Samanvita, right. Haripriya, right? Karthik Sagar, no. Likit J, right? Kushalam, right? Dhanvita, right? Change your name, Kushalam. Adityam, wrong. Kishan D, right? Harsha, right? Suraj, right? Ganvi, right? Roshni, right? Karthik Sagar, right? Kirtan Kumar, right? Surya, wrong. Abhinav, right? Manoj, wrong. Nishchit, wrong. Tanmay SH, right? Ullas, right? Adityam, wrong. Jeevan Nayak, no. Sheetal, right answer. Shreya Gowda, right answer. Zimad, no. Swikruti, no. Kirti, wrong. Aishiri, right. Tarun, right. Aditya M, no. Mithun, right. Nishchit, right. Kirti, right answer. Aditya M, right. Chintana, right answer. Varsha, wrong. Sadhvi Patil, wrong. Chiranjeevi, wrong. What Ganvi are? Aditya M, right. Manoj, right. Okay. Nidhi, right answer. Yeah, Roshni.
Hi, sir.
Mm-hmm. What is the answer?
Sir, the answer is first one.
Why?
Because all horizontal and vertical line.
Mm-hmm.
The first one is made of the circle, has no edges and lines.
Okay. See here. Actually, answer is option 2. Why? Because see here. See, partition means we are dividing. How we are dividing, that is very important. Okay. See, we are dividing horizontally here. See, try to understand this one. If you write the line like this, you call it a sleeping line, no? That is actually a horizontal line. Technically speaking, we call it as horizontal line. There is no such sleeping and standing lines. Okay. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. But this line is called as horizontal line. If you write the line like this.
It's vertical line.
Yeah, this is vertical line. See, in this case, you can observe here. Here we are dividing horizontally. So you can observe this line. This is horizontal.
Yes, sir.
Here also you can observe we are dividing horizontally. And here also same thing. Okay, but coming to the option 2, we are dividing it vertically. Clear? Okay, yeah. So that's why option 2 is the answer.
Okay, sir.
This is different one. Good try. Clear? Based on horizontal and vertical partition. Okay, see, if you partition this circle like this, ಈ ತರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, we divide like this, then it is called vertical division, okay, or vertical partition. Okay, we will move on to next one. See, based on types of numbers here, okay, I will ask this one. Yeah, Vaibhav Lakshmi. Can I answer this one? First one. 1,
Yes.
3, 5, 9 is there. So which one is the answer? Any idea?
Sir, 9.
A reason?
Sir, because 1, 3 and 5 odd numbers, sir.
What about 9? 9 is even number.
Yes, sir.
Who told 9 is even number? See, you should know that one, which are odd numbers, which are prime numbers. Okay. Okay, fine. Kushal S. Gowda.
Sir,
Which one is the answer?
sir, D, sir.
D, reason?
Sir, 1, 3 and 5 are composite. Sir, prime number. Sir, 9 is composite number.
Very good. See here, 1, 3 and 5. They are prime numbers. And this one is composite. So what are prime numbers actually?
Sir, which is divisible by 1 and the number itself.
Very good. See, prime numbers means number should
Be divisible by 5. Sir, 1 or the number itself.
should be divisible by
1 or the number itself.
1 or number itself. Okay. Such numbers are prime numbers. So you can observe here, 1 is divisible by 1 only. Okay, then 3 is divisible by 1 or 3. 5 is divisible by 1 or 5. So that's why, okay, number which is divisible by 1 or number itself is called as prime numbers. Coming to the 9, it is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 9. See here, extra 3 is coming here, means other than 1 and 9, it is divisible by 3 also. That's why it is called composite number.
Composite number.
Okay. Yeah. What about next one? 2, 4,
Sir,
8,
option
13.
D only, sir. Sir, option D only.
Yeah. Why?
Sir, because 2, 4, 8 are even numbers. Sir, 13 is only odd number, sir.
Yeah. See, 2, 4, 8 are even numbers. Option D, that is,
Composite number.
hey, odd number.
Listen.
Odd number. 13 is odd number. Okay. Yeah, very good.
Thank you, sir.
See, you should understand this one. What are odd numbers? Odd numbers ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. See, it will start from like this: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These are odd numbers. Even numbers. Which are even numbers? That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like this. Okay. You should know the meaning of odd numbers and even numbers. That is very basic one. Yeah, Likityam, right reason. Varsha, right. Okay. Jeevan Nayak is having doubt. What doubt you are having, man? Wait. How many are there? Yeah, see, last question is there. Okay, last type. That is based on tables. Okay. You can send me the answer. Dhruva, right. Kushales Gowda, right. Mithun, right. Chandana, right. Naomi, right. Tanmay Gowda, right. Rohini, right. Kirtan Kumar, Tej Kiran, right. Chintana, right. Dheeraj, right. Saujanya, wrong. Harsha, right. Tanvita, right. Roshni, right. Hari, right. Varsha, right. Slowly. Shashank, we are right. Amsa, right. Milind, right. Danvi, right. Zimad, right. Nishchit, right. Sadhvi Patil, wrong. I think. Mai is right answer. Purvik, right. Mana, right. Kirti, right. Likit, right. Sumadara, right. Karthik Sagar, wrong. I think. Pratvika, right. Ullas, right. Sumadara, right. Sukruti, right answer. Shreya Gowda, right answer. Manoj, right. Himavarsha, right. Chiranjeevi, right. Ritiksha, right answer. Okay. Aishiri, right. Adityam, right. Karthik Sagar, right. Sadhvi Patil, right. Bhuvan, yeah, right. Suraj, right answer. Ishak, wrong. Tarun, right. Bhuvan Chandra, right. Tarun, right. Likitam Gowda, right. Rakshita Gowda, right. Nidhi, right. Abhinav, right. Saujanya TS, wrong answer. Archit Kumar, right. Surya, right. Ishak, no. Saujanya, now it is right. Kaushik, no, wrong. So who is going to answer this one? Last. Kirti. Yeah, yes.
Sir, option D.
Reason?
Sir, option A, 3 ones are 3. Option B, 6 ones are 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Is there 11 is there?
Yeah, okay, very good. See, these will come under in 3 table. These are the multiples of 3, or we can call it as, like it will come in the tables of 3. Okay, so this will not come in table 3. Yeah, very good, Yashash. You are from which placement?
Sir, Gubbi.
Gubbi, near Tumkur.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, see, option D is the answer. Okay, that is the right reason. 3, 6, 9 are tables. It will come in the tables 3. Okay, see, that's why I given the heading here. See, based on tables. Sometimes they will give like this. See, suppose think 8, 12, 16, and 15 they will give. Not 15. 18 they will give. See, if they give like this means answer you can go with 18. Why? Because see, this is for tables 4, right? 4 2s are, 4 3s are, 4 4s are. But 18 will not come under 4 table. Okay. Yeah, I will stop here. Okay, we will move on to quiz. Topic is odd man out only. Okay. Open your